Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a short tutorial on how to use digital stickers in Goodnotes. A few things I will talk about is how to upload some stickers, how you can store the stickers, how to move your stickers around, and how to edit it if you need to. So here I will go into my sticker book in my planner. And the easiest way that I find to upload stickers is to just go to the file that I have all my stickers in and just drag and drop it onto the page. And then storing it in a sticker book is easier because then I can see all my stickers together and I'll always know where it is. And another way to do it is to use the new Goodnotes elements. This is where you can store them by sets like this. And what you can do is to add a new set, you can just go to the add here and new collection, and this you can either add from your photos or import from another file. If you add photos, you can go and save all your digital stickers in an album, and then you can actually select them more than one and add it easily like that. It might take a while, but you can add stickers quickly that way. Whereas if you import it from here, you have to do it one by one and it won't let you add multiples. And then all you need to do is title it and then I'll save it as a collection. Sometimes this method is not as great if your iPad loads slowly, so I would still recommend using this method and drag and drop into a sticker book if that's something that is more accessible to you. You don't even have to put it in a sticker book. You can just pull up your file in your iCloud Drive and just drag and drop in here. Another thing with this method is you will need an iCloud Drive, and sometimes the current storage might not be enough and you would have to pay for an iCloud Drive. So there are different ways. You can sometimes just save it as an album on your images, and the best thing to do there is just save them as PNG files. You want PNG files because those are the only ones that can give you transparent background like this. So how I move my stickers, this is kind of a simple but hard question at the same time sometimes. Beginners don't really know. There are two tools you can use to move your stickers, and one is the lasso tool here and the other is the image tool here. So the lasso tool is you can just grab an image like that by circling it, and you can grab multiple images like that while circling it. And this is great for if you have images or stickers that are spaced out better and they're not overlapped. But sometimes if they're close together, if you want to lasso something small, it might grab another thing, so it'll stick together and it'll be really hard to grab. And that's a good time to use this image tool, and you just tap on it and it'll just find the right image for you to grab. So if sometimes it's hard to grab stuff, try using the image function. And as for the lasso, there's also different things you can do with it. So here, I tap on it, these are the options that will let you edit an image. So this is for resizing, taking a screenshot and adding to element, which is the storage up here. And if you go into the image function, when you tap here, you will see that it'll let you crop and also add to the element. So if you're cropping something, trying to edit an actual image, like you want to crop this further down so that it doesn't have so much space around it, this is what you would do, and you can either use triangle or freehand, and then it'll just size it down for you. And that's how you edit an image on Goodnotes. So I hope that helps you navigate the digital stickers in Goodnotes. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll try my best to answer. Thank you.